Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts, and you put on gloves and eye protection because refrigerant oil and debris can irritate. Once done, recover the refrigerant with a certified machine or have a shop evacuate it. You cannot open the AC system under pressure. Next, raise the car 4-6 inches on jack stands, remove the under tray, and take off the accessory belt so you can access the compressor at the front of the engine bay. You now work on the core removal. Label and unplug the electrical connectors and the clutch wire to keep track of reassembly, because wiring mistakes cause failures. Then loosen the refrigerant lines at the accumulator/dryer ports and cap them immediately to prevent moisture and debris from entering. Quick capping preserves system integrity. Next, unbolt the compressor mounts while supporting the unit so it doesn't drop, and remove the AC belt tensioner if needed to slide the compressor out without stressing hoses or wiring. You install the replacement compressor with the correct oil charge per Nissan specs. Using wrong oil or amount damages the pump, so measure accurately. Once mounted and torqued to spec, replace O-rings with lubricated new ones, reconnect electricals, and cap lines. Then vacuum the system to roughly 29 in Hg for at least 30 minutes to remove air and moisture. Make sure the vacuum holds. Finally, recharge to factory refrigerant charge. Run the engine and verify clutch engagement and cold airflow. If poor cooling, check for leaks and compressor clutch voltage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.